Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here on Intuition FX. I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's been keeping well over the weekend, using your time wisely, spending time with your family, and I hope everyone had a fantastic trading week last week. Let's just get straight into it. So, we have a lot of high impact news this week, so it's going to be a very eventful week. I'm going to start off with Monday. We don't have any news. Tuesday is where I think the volatility will begin. So I think Monday, the major Tuesday for consolidation. Tuesday, most likely making the high or low of the week. And you'll see in the bias, in my opinion, will be a high of the week. And Wednesday is going to be interesting because we do have CPI. Now, with CPI, I'm just going to quickly cover on how I trade it and if I trade it. Do I trade the day of CPI? Not necessarily. I will most likely just avoid that whole day. Okay, if I have a position on from Tuesday and I think, okay, we've created the high or low of the day, I will make sure I've gone break even, I've taken partials, all of those kind of things, because CPI is going to bring in the volatility to target, sell side or buy side, basically target liquidity. So that all just depends on how Tuesday goes, which I'll keep updating you guys during the week. Again, Thursday, such an eventful day, and Friday also being eventful. So let's just get into the analysis part straight away. I'm going to start off with the dollar index over here. Let's just pump that up. Okay, cool. So the dollar index, again, we didn't exactly come into this volume imbalance over here. Monday, we just kept trading higher, to be honest. And Friday, we went lower, traded higher. We had nice up days targeting that volume imbalance here on the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Now, where do I think, or what do I think is going to happen? In the best case scenario, and in a scenario I'd actually like, is I don't want price to just trade off higher straight away. I want a retracement into here. It's this fair value gap on the daily. I want price to dip into there Tuesday or Wednesday, making the low of the week, and then that's it, really just running higher above the volume balance and above this buy side liquidity. So I do think we're going to get near to the 106 levels on the dollar. Again, market maker buy model is very nice, market maker buy model as well. And like I said, if we take this low over here and we take this high, take this low on a higher time frame, this becomes your breaker. All of that, take that across. As you can see, it lines up perfectly with that fair value gap, but I'm gonna take it off because it looks messy. So I want price come into there, and then I'd want it to run higher. That'd be like the best case scenario for the week coming. So Mondays I don't trade, so Mondays I let the market do what it wants, show me where it wants to go. If it starts trading lower, great, because then we can probably expect Tuesday to go a little bit lower and then create the low of the week. But again, we'll just have to see what happens as the week goes by. Euro USD, again, market maker sell model on the daily time frame. So the institutional order flow is bearish. Now, like I mentioned in the previous weekly breakdown, and you guys can go back to it, I did say I wanted price to come into this candle over here, and it did. I did say we might be able to trade higher, but we didn't. It just traded lower from Monday. And you can see the consolidation going up, going down. Nonetheless, there were moves anyway, but on the daily, going back to it, how do I get out of that? There's a reclaimed block over here on the buy side of the curve. Take that across. That is where funds will look to go short from. So again, same scenario. I would want price to come into this fair value gap over here, and then I would want price to just violate the downside. So I'm gonna just mark that up first. Fair value gap over here. That is the perfect scenario of what I'd want. I want price to trade into this fair value gap and then trade low below the sell side liquidity. And let's touch upon GU. Again, GU, the SMT with EU and DXY, relative strength index obviously would basically say this is going to lower, and this would be the better pair to trade. So why did I trade this now? Look, as you can see, there is a monthly bullish order block. We're trading deep into it. Which is something, I mean, look at it. We've gone way past the mean threshold, and I don't know if it's going to hold at all. So therefore, I am just going with what I can see on the lower time frame, like the weekly. So if I start on the weekly, we have the weekly bearish order block. If we go on the daily, we have the daily bearish order block over here. Now with this, we do have this fair value gap. So we have the institutional order for intraday. It has traded up into it. Do I want it to go any higher? Not really. If it wants to drop, I would want it to genuinely just tank, is the best way to put it. From Monday, I guess it would just start trading lower. But GU is something I have to monitor, like on Tuesday, and see, okay, can I see SMT? Can I see, is it going to trade lower? Can I see something, right? And this is going to take me to my next 2 points of, this is Euro USD. So on Euro USD, you can see the 4-hour candle, and we split it to a 1 hour time frame, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is how we traded. Having the higher time frame narrative is very important. As you guys can see, I've got the daily rejection block, and that is where Thursday made the low of the week. It capped the week. So Monday, it just wanted to rally lower quick. So that's exactly what it did. Monday made the high. We just kept trading lower, 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 and Thursday making the low. And then obviously here you can see Friday just search and destroy, seek and destroy, search and destroy. Profile just taking out both sides. So Euro USD was an interesting one as well, but I liked GU a lot because if we go on the weekly, like I mentioned, we have the weekly bearish order block, and then if we go on the daily with the daily bearish order block. So when I saw that daily bearish order block, to me that was like an easy day, is the best way to put it, right? To me it was just a very easy day. And again, we have the daily order block over here. Wednesday it trades into it, takes out this high over here, creates the breaker which we sold off from, and we got up below this low. So yes, we missed out all of this, but again, like I said, you guys know about watching my videos and my trades. I don't really care. I just go for the things I can see and just get out instead of holding them. But I should focus on holding them a bit more, but it doesn't really matter to me. So this is how I normally, so what I normally have during the week is, this is the kind of thing I have going into the week. So for example, the week we have going ahead now, I'll mark out, you know, where's Monday 12 or midnight, but as soon as I get the Sunday opening price, I'll take that across, and then I'll just it's just an indication for me to see the time, the charts better. Because if I have it like this, I'll have like a level, let's say, like I said, this 4-hour candle, daily rejection blocks, that's my daily level. So now I'm like, okay, what am I looking for each day? I'm looking for sells to get to the daily rejection block, and it just keeps in mind the higher time frame narrative, because when you do go on the lower time frames, you can get thrown off a lot. So again, that's basically it for this week. I know it's short, but like I said, I like to keep my weekly breakdown short because I'm not monitoring a lot of pairs. I'm looking to get into the indices. I am going to try train myself slowly on the ES Mini and NAS, but it's going to take me a lot of demo balling before I can replicate that on a live account. But currencies, like I said, I replicate that on a live account because I've been trading them for like nearly 4 years now. It has been 4 years, yeah. So again, guys, I will catch you during the week. If you are not in my Telegram channel, which is completely free, is in the link below. Everything I post in terms of my trades and everything is in the Telegram channel. I will try my very, 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 very best from now on to be a little bit more proactive, in the sense that I'm gonna try send some trade ideas before you know, I take the trade, because now all you guys see is a weekly breakdown and you guys basically just see me take the trade. But I might just try and include like, okay, this is the trade I'm taking today, this is what I've got my eyes on. So just a bit more like, just a bit more active basically was what I'm saying on the Telegram channel. But apart from that, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I hope everyone has a great trading week ahead. Stay safe, the CPI, so please don't do anything stupid, and manage risk accordingly. Other than that, take care, peace.